Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I don't know what's wrong. I just did a tutorial on this look. So if you guys want to watch that, that will be up soon. But right now it is Halloween week, so I am going to do another Halloween look, guys, and I'm super excited about this one. We're going to do the broken doll kind of look. I am super excited about this. I hope it comes out great. But I'm not sure because I'm an untalented piece of shit. I hope it comes out. I literally just put in Halloween makeup looks, and this one came up in the search of images, and I saw it and I really liked it, so I wanted to recreate it. I'm not exactly sure who made this look first, but in the picture it has a tag, so I'm definitely going to look that tag up and leave it in the description box below just to see. I'm not sure if they were the original creator or what, but I will I saw it on Google, that's where I found it. I mean, I'm sorry, that's literally where I'm drawing my inspiration. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and start, so let's go. I'm using the Aqua XL eye pencil from Makeup Forever to do the outlines and things that I want to do. So we're going to start here on the forehead. I want to do like right around here. I want to do a circle-ish look where the first dent of, like the primary hit that made us broken. So we're going to go ahead and do... Brandon's playing Fortnite in the back. So we're gonna start like that. We can fill that in later if you want. You can fill it in now. I'm going to go ahead and keep making the breaking points. You want to just keep doing these all over the face, kind of just to get it where you feel like you're comfortable with the breakage or whatnot. So I'm just gonna keep going until I feel like it's enough detail. I'm gonna take this one and connect it, and we're gonna put that right there. Then I'm gonna grab here, and I want to do a lot on the top, kind of just to show. Let's go ahead and keep that way, right? Now I'm gonna grab this one, and right underneath I'm just gonna connect it to this one right here. I feel like this side is a little bare, so I'm gonna make this go all the way through. It's good. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the little details here. I want to make sure that it looks good. And we're just going to connect these right here. You want to make sure that this is the point of impact. You want to make sure that it is impactful. Like when you punch something, you can see the little breakage here before it goes out into the rest of everything. So on some of these, like this one right here, I'm going to grab, and you see how there's already a line right here. I'm going to grab a line and do it right there like that, and then I'm just going to make a little bit of more breakage in here just to make it look, like I said, you want to make it look like the point of impact was very hard, so you're going to want to do a little bit more just to make it a little bit better. So now I want to grab right here on this one, and I'm going to make a small little thing like this and make it, let's fill that in like so it looks like a hole. And we could do that on a bunch of other spots if you feel the need. I just want to do another one right here. So now we have two little holes. Let's fill this one in as well. I believe this would be nice. Okay, so I went ahead and I brightened, I made this one a little bit thicker, and there's this one as well that's a little bit thicker, just that it looks like pieces are missing. And this one I made it thicker as well. It kind of sucks because I went a little bit too overboard, but it looks okay. It's doing what it's doing, and like I said, you guys can fix it. Don't follow my exact moves, please, because I suck. So now I'm gonna grab, this is some metallic white paint. It's face paint, guys, I'm sorry. Just gotta make sure you guys know that. This is some metallic white face paint, and I'm gonna go ahead to use that as detailing. So I'm gonna squirt some out and make sure that we're gonna use that for detailing. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the AOA Studio E117 brush. This is a very fine bristled brush. So I'm going to grab the face paint, right? And I'm going to do some detailing. So I'm gonna go around the lines like this, just to make them just have a little bit more dimension. And I'm definitely gonna go around these circles right here. And you're gonna wanna focus it a lot on the impact point right here. And put it on a lot of these lines. See, like this one is thick, so I'm gonna want to put it here just to give it some dimension and some, so it looks like it's a little glossy, you know. I have all the little white lines down. I want to add a little bit more dimension, so I'm gonna grab my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm gonna go into that black that is all the way down here, and I'm just gonna go around the edge, some of the edges, not all of them, just to make it look a little shaded, I guess you can say. So we're gonna go into that black. And we're gonna go definitely right here. I wanna go ahead and put some shadow. You're gonna keep doing that on some spaces until you feel like it is enough for you. And that is, now that we have all of the shadowed over the way I want it to be, this is the final look, and honestly, I'm kind of living for it. I didn't expect it to come out this good. I definitely, well, I personally think it looks great. I love it, honestly, so, I mean, I look like I broke, like, I'm fucking broken, bitch. I'm so excited. This came out really good, and I'm super excited for it. I hope you guys liked it. But yeah, this is the final look. Honestly, I'm in love with this look. I definitely think it came out a lot better than I expected it to. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it came out great for you guys as well. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. So here's day 3 for the spoopy season. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out if you haven't already. And if you're new, hello, my name is Spoopy Sylvia, and I'm an aspiring MUA. So yeah, well, here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave some comments down below on what other looks you might want me to do, whether it's Halloween or non-Halloween. And yeah, don't forget to check the description box down below. I will leave everything I used in this look today, which wasn't much, but that's awesome because then it means that you guys don't have to use much either. So I really love this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.